Good morning, kids. Welcome back to the class of computer. As in the last class, we have started our chapter 7, that is networking and e-commerce. In that, we have gone through computer networking and types of networks. In the types of network, we have seen two types of network, that is personal area network and local area network. Today, we are going to study a new type of network, that is WAN, which is also known as a wide area network. Well, a wide area network, that is WAN, is a network of computing devices spread over a country, a continent, or even across the world. The purpose of WAN is to interconnect the LANs spread across the city. As you can see in the picture which is in front of you, in the middle internet is there, while there are four other networks which are attached to it. Those are different, that is LAN. So same way, the purpose of a WAN is to interconnect the LANs spread across the city or continents. Interconnected LANs may belong to a single organization or multiple organizations. International networks of ATMs, bank, national government offices, and international organization are example of WANs. You can also call internet as a WAN type of a network. Why? Because as on the internet there are so many computers, so many types of network attached to it. It means so many type of local area network are attached to it. Now, next we'll see need for networking. Why networking is important? Well, there are many factors. Computer networking is found to be extremely useful for a variety of reasons. Some of those are resource sharing. All computers on a network can share hardware like printer and software. Through a network, data, software, and hardware resources can be shared irrespective of the physical location of the resource and the user. We don't need any physical for sharing anything. Like today in the world, we can share so many of images to each other. Yes, from far away as well. It's all due to internet, right? The next is reliability. A file can have its copy on two or more computers of the network. Yes. Reduced cost. Our cost is reduced. There are so many financial benefits of having internet with us, of having network. Earlier, do you remember, kids, if we want to transfer a letter, it used to go through by post office and it cost us many rupees. But now, due to internet, it costs none, just a 2-3 KB. Yes? So it reduces our cost a lot. The second one is fast communication. Yes, with the internet, we can have a better communication medium. Information can be exchanged at a very fast speed. When in earlier, like in our grandparents' time, they have to share, if they wanted to share any information, it took 3 to 5 days to reach to the destination. But nowadays, it took just 3 to 4 milliseconds to reach to the destination. There is one more need for a networking, that is access to a remote database. Computer network provide easy access to a remote database, so it is possible to avoid unnecessary trouble and waste of time involved in physical booking airline and rail tickets, hotel rooms, etc. You can book tickets and hotel accommodation for anywhere and get instant confirmation through a network. Yes. What is TCP/IP? You might have heard this name, right? Well, before that, let me tell you how the internet works. The internet, as you already know, is a worldwide network of a computer network using a standard set of protocols. All computers within any network are connected to each other, usually with the help of cables. A message travels across the network following network protocols. A protocol is a set of rules that computer users communicate with each other across it. Well, as in our daily life, we have so many protocols. The commonly used protocols are Internet protocols and transmission control protocols. In short, we can call them IP and TCP, as you can see here. The long form for TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, while the long form for IP is Internet Protocol. Together, they are known as TCP IP. TCP IP has a simple meaning. TCP IP has a simple naming and addressing scheme that helps in locating information on the internet. Every network and computer system on the network has an address called IP address that's used to exchange information. It is unique for everyone. When information is passed from one system to another, the TCP breaks up data into pieces called packets. As you can see here in the figure, each packet has an address called the IP address that refers to the sender and destination. These packets are passed from one network to another until they reach their destination. At the destination, the TCP software reassembles the packets into a complete message. If packets are damaged or lost, a request is sent to resend them. It is not necessary for all the packets in a single message to take the same route through the internet, or for the same message to take the same route each time it is sent. The next we'll see, that is wireless networking technology. As the name suggests, I'll show you first. By looking at this picture, have you understand? You might know very well, even you have used it. As the name suggests, data in this technology is transmitted without wires or cables. Bluetooth, infrared, and Wi-Fi are some example of this. Well, Bluetooth. This technology uses a low power radio wave to connect electronic device. It can connect up to 8 devices typically. A line of a straight between communicating device is not required. Bluetooth is used for a short range communication of approximately 10 meter. It can be password protected and has a slow data transfer rate. The most commonly used Bluetooth application is mobile data transfer. The next is infrared. This technology uses an infrared wave to connect electronic devices. It can connect only 2 devices at a time. It is a line of a side transmission, that is, it cannot cross any solid object. It is used for a short range communication of approximately 5 meter. So it has a less range than a Bluetooth. Yes. Infrared is used in remote controls, cordless phone, etc. Well, the next is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It uses radio waves to provide a high-speed wireless internet and network connections. A communication across a Wi-Fi network is like a two-way radio communication. The Wi-Fi technology is used to connect a computer to each other within a group or across a group. Whereas Bluetooth technology is built into electronic gadgets and allow them to connect directly with each other wirelessly. Wi-Fi is now commonly used at homes, in banks, hospitals, airports, etc. Well, students, this was all for today. The next, wireless and mobile communication, which is very interesting topic, we'll see in the next class. Thank you.